your freaking back kick, man, the highest amount of force that I ever witnessed in my life is you, man. I never seen a human being physically capable of hitting something with that much force than you.
Hello. The turning sidekick is a very powerful technique, especially with the philosophy Joe Rogan uses. As he describes, the aim is to kick in the direction of the rotation to best harness the momentum of the spin. This results in Joe's technique being exclusively a body shot, an emphasis on power over versatility. This body shot turning sidekick is actually a technique Kung Lee was famous for as well. A legend of the arena, undefeated in both Sanshou and kickboxing, Lee harmonizes wrestling and taekwondo with Sando, which partially explained the foot finesse he had. Truly, Kung Lee was a pleasure to watch in his prime, for the man was not just skilled and creative, but incredibly powerful to the point where grown men will be sent airborne with this technique. You know who's that, or the livers would just burst from the impact. There is another secret as to why this technique is so devastating when used by these men. Joe Rogan, standing at 5'8", a stockier build, Kung Lee, 5'9" or 5'10", somewhere around there, with a shorter, stockier build for his weight class. Like a top, the lower center of gravity is also a catalyst to this technique as it helps them explode into rotation from a more balanced position. Of course, this can be compensated for with diligence and practice, but a lower center of gravity definitely works as a catalyst to the technique. Now, understanding that this technique is best delivered to the body, should we refrain from throwing it up high? Of course not. If they're conditioned down low, that may open up high. As we all know, it is the shot they don't see coming. This conditioning could have them blind to the shot altogether. Although I would say, a spinning hook kick or wheel kick is a more powerful alternative when smashing the dome. That, though, we'll cover for another video. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe. That's definitely great for the channel. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.